Delicious, healthy, and so easy to cook beans, frijoles. Let's cook them. We start by rinsing them. Yes, rinsing them thoroughly, just like this. Let's do one more rinse with water. There you go. Okay, now we're going to bring them to the stove at low heat. Okay, add onion, garlic, salt. This is just for taste, for flavor. Okay, some salt right there. There we go. Cover it. And you're going to wait for an hour to an hour and a half or until soft. Oh my goodness. There we go. There we go. See, these are blended. You can pair them with quesadillas just like this, and they will be delicious.